Hey there! Today we're tackling a common problem many developers face when customizing a UI component. The problem at hand is wanting to change the drop-down icon of a split button in PrimeNG version 17. It's a bit tricky since simply changing the icon can also affect the label, as shown in the image provided. Now, let's dive into the solution for this issue. The key to changing the drop-down icon in PrimeNG's split button is by utilizing the drop-down icon template. By using the code snippet provided, you can customize the drop-down icon while keeping the label intact. This ensures that you have full control over the appearance of the split button and can achieve the desired visual effect effortlessly. In summary, we've explored how to address the problem of changing the split button drop-down icon in PrimeNG version 17 by leveraging the drop-down icon template. By following the solution provided, you can seamlessly customize the icon without affecting the label. Give it a try in your project and enjoy the enhanced visual appeal. And remember, if you found this information helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and drop a comment below. Happy coding!